Hi, lovely people. How are you? How is your day? Do not forget to leave it down in the comment section how your day is. I'm a nosy person, so let me know all the tea. So, if you read from the title, God, sometimes I laugh at myself. Anyway, we are doing the Macys Beauty Box. So if you don't know, this is a $15 a month, and they do charge taxes for this. So I pay almost $16 a month for this box, and it has its hits and misses, but I have to say the last few boxes I really liked it. I mean, one month we got underwear in here. I think last month we got pasties in here. So it's a little different than what I'm usually used to getting in this box. So I haven't opened it, so let's open it right up and see what is in here. I haven't watched any unboxings of this box. What in the world? This is why I always cut it before I do my box. All right, I kind of really like this box. All right, so, ooh, this bag is really pretty this month. I like it. It's like holographic and stuff. And it reminds me of those old coats back in the 90s that used to be feel like that material. Do you remember? I can't think of the material, but we used to have it in our coats. All right, so you get this pamphlet every month, and oh no, we got $10 off. So we usually get $5 off and occasionally $10 off. So you can use this in the store, you can use it online, and I really enjoy this, that we get this. So really, you got $10 off. You're only paying really $5 for this. So usually we get $5 off. So if you think of it like that, you're really only paying $10 for it. So it does tell you what everything is, and it gives you prices, but it usually gives you the prices of what the full sizes will be. All right, so, ooh, I see some spoilers. Let me come up and let's see what it is. So every month it always comes up wrapped in this pink tissue paper, and right here has Macys right there. But I don't know, for some reason it's kind of noisy, but I'm digging it. All right, enough about the bagging. If you hear any noise, I have my dog Nala that's sitting right over here, being nosy, sniffing everything. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, the first thing that I am going to pull out is the Ski 2, or Ski 2. I don't know how to pronounce it. Comment down below, how do you say that brand? I never knew. SK2 maybe? And this is a facial treatment essence. Full size will be $179. Now this brand is always expensive, and I really like it. Some people say it kind of breaks them out a little bit or irritates them, but I never had a problem, so I like it. Usually what an essence is after you wash your face, you cleanse it. You will go in with a toner, and then you usually go in with this, and then whatever the skincare is. But let's read up and see what it says. It says, this is the best-selling essence secret to gravity-defying skin. It keeps you looking young while evening out your skin tone and texture. So there we go. Oh, let's see what the tip says. Tip. Use after your toner and before your moisturizer. So exactly. That's usually what an essence is. Essence is very popular in the K-Beauty skincare line. All right. The next thing we got, is a Laura Mercier, a small setting powder to try. So that is good. So full size is $38. And if you want to set this, because this is really Folly Mill, and I like to use this under my eyes. And so this is perfect. You know, this will last you a little bit if you just go under your eyes. I don't bake because I am in my 40s, and when I try baking, I find wrinkles that I didn't even know was there. So I just kind of set it and brush it right off. This is in the shade Translucent. So that's really good so far. This is an amazing box this month. All right, the next thing is Peter Thomas Roth. This is a peeling gel exfoliant. I love exfoliants. So there we go. All right, let's see. All right, full size would be $48. This says, uncover your most stellar skin with this exfoliant. You'll instantly see the difference as it rubs away dead skin cells. Ingredients like pineapple, pomegranate, and cellulose makes it effective, yet gentle enough that it won't irritate your skin. Need an extra exfoliant? Leave on for up to 5 minutes before rinsing. So there we go. All right, the next thing, we got a full-size Stila Glitter and Glow. Are you kidding me? In the shade Fairy Tale. These are like, what, like $30 or something like that. How much is this? Full size, $24. That's exciting. You usually get about one full-size thing and the rest are like samples or deluxe size samples. But I mean, this month is amazing. Let's get this out. Let's see what color. Oh, that's pretty. I wanted to make sure I didn't have a color like that. So there we go. I'm going to do a swatch. Let's see. That is so pretty. This isn't that opaque. Like usually they're glitter and glows. Let me shake it up a little bit. Because that's what the first one looks like. See how it's not? Because I'm actually wearing one on my eyes now. Forget the color that I'm wearing. And see how opaque that is? Let's see. Let me go over it. Yeah, that's not that opaque. But it does build up. It is building up. Let me get a good swatch so you guys can see. This is like an olive green and has gold specks in it. Very pretty. It is buildable though. But it doesn't have like a lot of glitter. It's really pretty. It does have some glitter in it, but like some of them really have the glitter in it. But this is really, really pretty. Really pretty. I love it. I'm into green eyeshadow, so this will go perfect on top. All right, two more things. We got this Skin and Glow by Skin Gem. I believe I got this in my Ipsy last month. So Ipsy's killing it too. That's $10 a month. All right, this is $5 for one. Do you get one in here? How many do you get in here? Would you be? This has hyaluronic acid, collagen, amino acids, and caffeine. I think it says, yeah, I can't read. One pair. One pair is $5? Okay. It just says, pro tip, take them with you on the go for a quick depuff in flight. Okay, so that's good. And let's see. Then we have two. Now, lately what we've been doing is getting the men and the woman cologne, because just because you're a woman, sometimes you like the scent of more musky, like manly, and also vice versa. You know, sometimes the men like more of the more feminine. I don't even know if you can say that, like feminine, because it's really not feminine, but you guys know what I mean. All right, so this is Alien Man. This is Muggler, and this is Alien, I guess, the woman right there. I'm not going to spray these and smell it because of my dog being right there. And she has a lot of allergies. So let's see. Okay, how much would this be? Okay, so the man one has the woody and leathery notes. That would be $88 full size. And what is the woman? The woman has Indian jasmine, wood, and white amber. Oh, that sounds really good. And it is for 2 ounce would be $120. And for the man, a 3.4 ounce is $88. So that's everything in the Macys Beauty Box. I mean, that killed it with the $10 off. I can't get over this. This was probably the best month I think I've ever got. So let's go over it. Let's recap. We got a full-size Stila Glitter and Glow. And there she is right there. Then we got the SK2 right there. And then we got a sample size of the Laura Mercier translucent powder. We have the Peter Thomas Roth peel off. What is this again? Exfoliant. It's not a peel off, it's an exfoliant right there. And we got one pair of the eye mask to help, like, you know, when you have bags under your eyes. And then we have the men and women sample size. Let me show you the size of the Muggler, the Alien, right there. Plus, the $10 off. So you get all this really for $5. That's excellent. And then you get a bag every month, which is good. I don't know why I'm feeling this. I don't know. Anyway, guys, make sure you like this video if you like unboxings. Make sure that you subscribe because I do, like I said, have that giveaway. It's over March the 10th. It's the extra double things that did that even make sense? The things on my Boxy Luxe that I have like doubles of, or the cover effects is a little too dark for me, so I put that in there. And leave a comment, let me know how your day is going. Leave any comment, emoji, anything. The more interaction does help me out. And that's everything. Now I'm going to unbox Nala's unboxing. So make sure if you like dogs, you like this video, and make sure you subscribe so you can get notified when I put that video out. All right, guys, as always, I leave videos right here if you want to check more of me out if you're bored. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.